So guys, today I'm going to teach you how to remove a background from your image using GIMP. Let's have a look. Hey guys, my name's James. I'm from Ultimate Fitness Travel. So if you don't know much about us, we basically help you increase sales and help fitness industry businesses develop their skills online. So today I'm going to teach you how to remove a background from an image. So the reason why you'll use something like this is if you want to take, say, something like a picture of yourself like this, and you want to take yourself out of that picture and place yourself in somewhere like this. So I'm just going to show you exactly how you do it. Right, so what we'll do is we'll pull up my screen. Ta-da! There we go. Cool. All right, so first of all, you're going to want to select your image. Okay, so File, Open, select your image. I'm going to select that one. Easiest way to do this is to View and fit the image to the window. So you want to come over to Layer and go to Transparency, and you want to add an alpha channel. Okay, so once you've added an alpha channel, you want to scroll over to the Free Select tool. So that's where you want to go, right? With the little lasso type thing. So you select that one. Make sure when you're on mode, so this is down here on the left hand side, it says replace the current selection. Okay, this is important that you have that mode selected. I've done it a few times where I have not selected that and it's messed up. So make sure you have that, the solid red square. So what you want to do is you can press Control and scroll in. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw around your image that you want to cut out or save from the background. So ideally you want to go in, it's up to you how far you want to go in. So you can create a bit more detail if you go in further. And ultimately, what you don't want to do as well is just make sure you don't double click, because it will make you start all over again and it's a pain in the bloody arse, okay? So even if you press undo, it doesn't work. So you want to go all the way around, and you want to stay just inside the image as well. So because otherwise, if you're just outside, then you're going to take half of the background and it won't look like a full image, okay? So what I'll do is I'll continue to go around myself and we'll speed this bit up. See you in a sec. Okay, cool. So now this is the important bit. You must remember. So once you've finished going around the outside, you must then link it to the end here. Okay, so that will go yellow. Right, so as you can see, around the outside, I'm flashing, I'm alive. But we've got these bits, see, in between my arms that we need to take care of as well. So if we're gonna completely get rid of the background, I mean, we don't want the mattress of my bed or the wires showing up in a photo. Say I put myself in paradise, as I did just show you. We don't want my mattress to be there. So you wanna come over to the left-hand side and see where it says Free Select Mode. You want to go to Subtract from the current selection. So you click on that one. So that's you've got a red square and then you've got a white square in front of it. Okay, so you click on there, and then again you can just literally start doing exactly what you've done again. So you can cut out the image here. Okay, so I'll speed this up again. All right, so there we go. All the bits that we want to get rid of are now flashing. So we can just go to View, make sure we got it all, and then Fit Image to Window. There we go, we've got a nice picture there. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to go to Select. So File, Edit, Select, and then you want to click Feather. And this will give it a nice smooth texture around the outside. So we're going to go 5. You can test different ones. 5 seems to work very well, 5 pixels around the outside. So click OK. And then what you want to do is you want to go back to Select again, click that, and then click Invert. So that'll be this black and white square with a circle in it. So click Invert. And then what you'll see is not only am I flashing around the outside of myself, the whole screen is flashing around the outside, okay? So then you want to go to edit and you want to scroll down to clear. So what's going to happen is where we've inverted and we've had the alpha channel there, it's going to completely take away and we're going to clear the background now. So watch this magic. Ba-da! Yes, you know it. And there we go. So what you want to do next is you want to select and then none. And then what we'll do is we will scroll in. So you'll notice how certain parts of like the hair and that might not look as smooth as what you can get it. So just to get a little bit more, we can go over to the left-hand side here and see this finger pointing tool. That's the smudge tool. So we're going to select that one, and then we're going to get the opacity keyed up to 100%, and we're going to select, go to brush, and we're going to go down to, there we go, bristles 2, and you only need it small, about 15 to 20, and what we're just going to do is smudge the outline of like the surface, the hair, the skin, and it just make it look a bit more of a natural rather than sort of cutting the point. So what we'll do is we'll just go around here, and we'll just give these little, tiny little smudges. There we go, around the outside. There we go, lovely jubbly. Cool, nice and easy. And you can do that around the whole image if you want. And that's about it really. So I only like to personally do it around the hair, saves time and it doesn't look too bad anyway. So there we go. Right, so then what you want to do is go to view, and then you can just make sure it all looks good. Fit image to window, looks lovely jubbly, doesn't it? Right, this is the most important thing at the end, so you don't mess it up and like save it under the wrong file type. I've seen people do it, mainly me. So what you want to do is you want to go into file. You want to go export as. And then I'm going to save it in. Right, so I'm going to save it as me looking. Me looking. Right, so what you want to do now is you want to make sure you go down, type the name that you want to save it under, then you want to go down to select file type, and it says in brackets by extension. So click on the little plus, and you want to scroll down to PNG. So this PNG image right here, that's what you want to save it as. If you do not save it as that, there will be a nice white background and behind your image, and you won't be able to do the effects that you want to do and place yourself in paradise like I was showing you. So here we go. Just press export and then export. Here we go. And then it's an exporting, and that's it. And then you can literally put your image anywhere you want. You can have any background, and it also looks a lot more professional as well. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. If you aren't already, please make sure you actually follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to the channel. But that's it. My name's James. I hope that's helped. If you have got any other ideas of what else you'd like to know, just put something in the comments below. I'm more than happy to get back to you. Have a great day. See you on the next one.